Okay students, now I will do sum number 17. This is Locus 16b exercise. In the given figure, obtain all the points equidistant from lines M and N and 2.5 centimeter from O. They have drawn the diagram. They have shown the diagram, so I am drawing that only. There is no angle between them is given, so you write like this. So this is line N and this is line M. This point is O. In the given figure, obtain all the points equidistant from the lines M and N and 2.5 centimeter from O. So equidistant from M and N, that means you have to bisect these two lines, and you know how to bisect it. This is the technique of bisection. First you draw one arc like this. Again from here one arc, and from here another arc. Now you join this and produce both sides. So this is the bisector of this angle. Again you have to bisect this angle also, this angle. So the same way you do. This angle bisector I am drawing. Now join these two also. So this let's say RS and TU are the bisectors. So we have to find the points equidistant from M and N and 2.5 centimeter from O. So one 2.5 centimeter I have to draw. See, I am taking one 2.5 centimeter. Let me take this side 2.5 centimeter. From here up to this. So this is 2.5 centimeter. Taken the 2.5 centimeter. After taking this, you have to draw one circle. Now this circle, you see, this circle cut the bisector this and this at the point this, let's say A, at the point this B, at the point this C, at the point D. So these 4 points equidistant from M and N and 2.5 centimeter from O. So this point equidistant from M and N and 2.5 centimeter from O. This point also equidistant from M and N and 2.5 from O. Similarly this point and this point also. That's all for this sum.